Monday, September 23rd. So we're not going to go into Amplify yet. Okay, so hold off. Do not open Amplify. We are going to spend some time practicing recall. So we're going to need a couple pieces of paper. Some will just do some kind of sketching, random writing, that sort of thing on. So nothing that has to be saved, whether it's in a notebook or not. If you don't have your own, head over to the counter and grab a couple sheets. So we're going to go through a complete Amplify review. So A is unit and chapter review questions, which means I'm going to have you try to recall the unit question and then the chapter 1 and the chapter 2. We're going to use Classroom Screen, our classroom timer, to give you some independent think time and then some group share out time. This is a really important process in learning. We often practice incorrectly when we try to recall things. We spend more time trying to put information in and less time trying to recall, and those are two separate processes. We want to spend more time trying to remember, even though it takes effort, even though it takes time. We always want to look back at the list really quick and peek answers and not force our mind to spend the time necessary to recall information. Then we'll go through the vocabulary sets, the terms, the 9 words, see what we can recall. Also, I'll have you sketch out some geologic landforms, go through planet geology, highlighting maybe what you remember, predicting in letter E what that channel might have looked like, in the past, whether you consider it, 10 million years, 50 million years, 500 million years, however far back we need to go for you to kind of explain what you think is happening when it's actively being formed. And then if there's time left over, we'll pop back into Amplify and give you time to revisit. Or if you've been absent and the review part, I know some of you have been sick for quite some time or on vacations, the recall part doesn't do you any good at this point, and you can slide off to the side and work to get caught up through 2.1. Then we'll resume 2.2 tomorrow, looking at some stream tables.